Today, I'm making simple garlic parmesan bread. I start with fresh French bread and slice it evenly, not too thick and not too thin. In a small bowl, I mix softened butter with finely minced garlic. Then I spread it generously on each side, and a slight sprinkle of parmesan on top adds that rich, savory flavor. Into the oven, it goes at 100 degrees Celsius until golden and crisp. Simple ingredients, clean flavors, comfort in every bite. Sometimes, the simplest recipes bring the most comfort. Golden crispy and full of flavor. Perfect with soup, pasta, or just on its own.